This is feedback for tape on IC1. Really good overall. Just a couple things, especially here in the intro. WWF, this means wrong word form. So use is the word that you want, but it's not in the right form. You say use, maybe using. So you need to figure that out. Here I said opinion. This is something that goes in the conclusion. The mobile phone is dangerous on children. This is an opinion. This is something that you think, right? Because some people would disagree and say, no, they can learn new things. Anyways, it doesn't go in the intro. This is something that goes into the conclusion. And your language that you use here. The second reason, first reason, lastly, this is the language of body paragraphs when you're giving examples and stuff. Here in the intro, you want to use general statements like, many people believe, it is well known, people think, things like that. And I would like you to give me one more sentence here between your body background information and the thesis to kind of connect both of those sentences. Here, WW, wrong word. So this is not the right word at all. So change that word. Again, WW, wrong word. Remove this word. So a few grammar issues in here, but generally I thought you did a good job. Another wrong word. WWW. So wrong word meaning like you put the word sit here. Government should sit strict on phone. I think you're trying to say set with the E. So make those changes and then upload into port 1 week 9.